In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very beautiful and colorful and funky boho necklace made out of silk threads, embroidery floss, oxidized leaf, clay leaves and cowries, and is really very easy to make. Hi, I'm Shabori from Hooked in Loops. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For making the clay leaves, we will be using fevicryl mouldit and mix equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener in this manner to form a white colored mixture, and it is uniform. We will take small portion of the clay and give it a shape of leaf using our fingers in this manner. It is really easy to make an oval shaped leaf with tapering ends. We will take a sharp object or any clay tool and give the leaf impressions in this manner. After that, we will be using any sharp pointed object to make the hole of the leaf. Make a similar leaf and let it dry for 3 to 4 hours until it dries up completely. Then we will take the white colored acrylic paint and paint it completely white. The white colored paint will act as a primer for the paint you will be applying later on, and then we will let it dry after the white paint has been applied. And then we will start painting on our leaves. At first I painted it yellow and then added the green color to the leaves for the shading. The leaf paint done, we will let it dry, and then at the end we will apply a layer of wood gloss on top of it for the glossy effect. For paper scroll, we will take a paper, the length and width is based on your wish. Then we will start rolling it in this manner and stick the other end of the paper using fevicryl. In this manner the paper roll is ready. We will take silk thread and we will wrap it around the paper roll by sticking it using the fevicryl. We will cover up all the empty spaces of the paper with the silk thread in this way, and at the end stick the other end of the thread with the fevicryl. We will be using thread beads and stick them on either ends of the paper roll in this manner, and in this way we made our scroll. Let it dry completely and all the 3 scrolls are ready. We will now be attaching these oxidized metal leaves to the lower scroll using jump ring in this manner. Attach the other leaf too on the other end, and now we will stitch the clay leaves to our pink scroll. Method is really easy. Pass it through the hole of the leaf and tie a double knot. Cut the extra portion of the embroidery floss and we'll wrap it around the leaf top portion in this manner and stick the end of the thread using fabric glue. Similarly, attach the other leaf too in this way. Now we will be sticking the other scrolls to the lower scroll using metal glue. This is the metal glue that I bought from a Facebook store. If you want to know the Facebook page link, then please message me in my Instagram. You can see my Instagram page name on top of the screen in the lower portion. We are just taking each scroll to each other in this manner and we will let it dry for some time. So the locket is now ready. Now for further decoration, I will be attaching these tassels and cories on either side of the locket in this way. Now the decoration part is completely up to you. If you want, you can skip this portion. And just pass the thread through the empty space between the second and the first scroll and wrap it around in this manner. I hope you understood the method. We will stick the other end of the thread using fabric glue and similarly attach the tassel and cory on the other side too. On the top portion, we will be attaching 2 jump rings through which we will be passing our dory or the tassel of the necklace or the tarsal, whatever it is. I have made the tarsal by crocheting chains with 2 embroidery flosses. Pass the tarsal end through the jump ring. Do the same thing on the other side too and decorate it with thread beads. Like this. You can add as many number of thread beads as you want, and finally our beautiful, classy yet funky boho necklace is ready. This is really beautiful. It will go with any kind of dress, traditional or western. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. And thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.